Russian forces used the Tornado S multiple launch rocket system to devastating effect near the settlement of Pechenegi, where the powerful strike demolished the roadbed of a dam. Operators of the 112th Separate Reconnaissance Battalion managed to track down and strike another Polish-made Krab self-propelled howitzer of the Ukrainian army. Using 2 coordinated FPV drones, the operators executed a precise dual-hit attack, overwhelming the howitzer's position before it could be relocated. Howitzer crews from the 1009th Motorized Rifle Regiment of the 6th Guards Combined Arms Army, operating within the North Force Group, delivered a series of coordinated strikes against Ukrainian positions in the Kharkiv region. Following the mission, the D-30 gun commander, known by the call sign Solovey, described how the operation unfolded. Su-34 strike aircraft carried out another series of bombing runs on Ukrainian positions in Gulyaypole. Flying at low-medium altitude under the cover of electronic warfare, the jets released heavy fab bombs fitted with glide kits, sending them deep into fortified enemy lines. The strikes targeted firing points, dugouts, and rotation routes used by Ukrainian troops in this sector. The impact of the fabs again forced the Ukrainian side to pull back reserves and disrupted their ability to reinforce frontline positions around Gulyaypole, where Russian forces are steadily tightening control. A Russian soldier from Yakutia demonstrated remarkable reflexes and precision when he brought down an enemy drone with a single, well-aimed shot. The incident, filmed by a fellow serviceman on a handheld camera, shows the operator spotting the low-flying UAV before quickly taking aim and firing. Mobile air defense units intercepted and destroyed a Ukrainian E-300 Sky-range suicide UAV over Chechnya. The drone was detected as it approached at low altitude, prompting rapid deployment of the mobile teams already on standby for roaming air defense duties. Russian Aerospace Forces kept up their relentless pressure on the encircled Myrhorod garrison, hammering Ukrainian positions with back-to-back strikes. The released footage captures the moment the bombardment unfolded, the detonations erupting just seconds apart, triggering blasts that left the area shaking under the weight of the assault. Captured by a drone camera, an encounter unfolded on the front line. The driver of a Ukrainian International Max Pro armored vehicle panicked after spotting an incoming Russian FPV drone, losing control and crashing the vehicle. Moments later, the disabled Max Pro was struck again by a second drone, leaving the crew incapacitated inside. Epic destruction of a Ukrainian armed forces drone by a portable Igla anti-aircraft missile system was filmed near Belgorod. A UAV operator from Russia's 25th Army spotted a Ukrainian Kozak armored vehicle on the Lyman direction. After tracking its movement, the operator launched a precision strike, and the drone successfully set the vehicle on fire. More than 30 Garand 2 strike drones were active throughout the night in the vicinity of Ananiev in the Odessa region. The barrage was part of a wider wave of drone activity that also reached deep into the Dnipropetrovsk region. In Novomoskovsk, the night sky echoed with explosions as roughly 10 Garand 2 struck a target near the pipe factory. A fresh batch of Su-34 strike fighters has been handed over to frontline pilots, marking another step in expanding Russia's long-range strike capability. These aircraft have been upgraded based on lessons learned from the special military operation, receiving improved avionics and enhanced guidance systems. A 2S-4 Tulip self-propelled mortar team, acting on real-time targeting data from Russian UAV operators, swiftly located and obliterated a Ukrainian drone command hub in the Dnipropetrovsk region. The coordinated strike wiped out the control node before the enemy could redeploy or conceal its systems, cutting off a key link in the armed forces of Ukraine's local UAV network. Russian forces detected a Ukrainian field ammunition depot in the Konstantinovsky direction. After confirming the coordinates, they carried out a targeted strike that triggered a chain reaction of explosions. In Seversk, Ukrainian forces tried to conceal their artillery pieces among residential houses, but the cover didn't last long. During the offensive in this sector, Russian troops uncovered the hidden positions and delivered precise fire, destroying NATO L-119 howitzers, along with Soviet-era D-20 and D-30 guns. With the enemy's artillery wiped out, attack aircraft moved in and advanced deeper into Ukrainian defenses, tightening control over the key city. Russian forces from the Rubicon Center announced that they had carried out a series of precision strikes targeting Ukraine's power and transport infrastructure, framing the operation as a direct response to Kyiv's continued attacks. According to the unit, these strikes are designed to cripple the enemy's ability to repair damaged systems, disrupt the logistical backbone that keeps Ukrainian units supplied, and blunt any further hostile actions toward Russian territory. To execute these missions, the military is now pairing upgraded Lancet loitering munitions, models 51 and 52, fitted with improved communication links with the latest ZALA Z-16 reconnaissance drones. This tandem gives Russian operators the reach and accuracy needed to strike deep rear installations, marking a shift in Lancet employment from primarily counter-battery engagements to high-value infrastructure destruction. Hidden among terrain folds and vegetation, the tanks opened fire on Ukrainian armed forces positions in the populated area of Gulyaypole in the Zaporizhia direction. Tank crews operating the old but still deadly T-54 or T-55 platforms have once again shown how these machines. The footage captures the unmistakable roar of the vintage tank guns, their shells cutting through the air before detonating on enemy defensive points. Russian assault units continue storming the encircled town of Myrhorod, pressing deeper into the defensive perimeter as Ukrainian forces inside struggle with dwindling supplies and limited evacuation routes. Precision artillery and FPV strikes are carving open corridors for infantry to advance, tightening the ring around the trapped garrison. At the same time, Russian formations are pushing forward in the Dnipropetrovsk region. With crossings destroyed and logistics disrupted, Ukrainian units are being forced to retreat from several positions, allowing Russian troops to expand their control and strengthen their foothold along key approaches. That's all for today's update. Thanks for watching, and don't miss our upcoming videos.